What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Kicks and Snares. My name is DJ I Truth. This is a channel where I share tutorials, I play concerts, make beats, and shoot you inspiration and try to give you a little education at the same time. So here we are with an unboxing of sorts. Just got this in the mail. New to me, old to the world. I think this is gonna be a nice little addition to what I already own, and I finally came down with this this method of why I'm buying older drum machines. I gave it up, right? Well, you probably see that in the thumbnail anyway. But this is what I think about the MPC.1 and the XL, the 3000. And if you're a hobbyist or a collector, if you're not putting out work, if you're not putting out music, you're a hobbyist, you're a collector. But my thing is, if you are putting out work and you're accumulating machines, let's say an XL, a 3000, etc., etc., I see it as a drum machinist is the equivalent of a saxophonist. If you're familiar with John Coltrane, who played saxophone and also played soprano, Roland Richard Kirk, who played multiverse of woodwind instruments. That's how I see myself, as a multi-instrumentalist machinist. Alright, so there you go. Let's compare the 1000 to, let's say, the alto saxophone, the soprano. What would I compare the soprano to? Maybe the 2000 XL. And the tenor saxophone. Let's say the tenor can be, I don't know, the 3000. A baritone saxophone. Let's compare that to maybe the MPC 62 or the MPC 60. So, you can take it how you want. But I think, saxophonist, drum machinist, sampler, beat maker, producer. That's my comparison to why I am justifying this purchase. Put out good music, guys. Peace. DJ I Truth, let's open this box up.
Good defense! Good defense!
Yeah. Okay, receipt. Bong. It's kind of a deal. Let's see how this looks like. Oh man. Oh, look at this. Look at this great packaging. Look how this guy left this in here. Just dying for me to and look how this panel came off.
Oh my God, I'm so sad.
He didn't even tighten this up, bro. That was a very bad packaging. Very bad. Look at this. He didn't even tighten it up so that it wouldn't move inside. Dude, man, now I gotta, I'm gonna send this to him now. All right, let's go and see what else, what other problems this machine has. So right now I am in solo mode, right? Let's go back to main. Where's solo? Right here. It's levels. Track mute. Yeah, it's not letting me mute anything, so oh wow, he used the Jay-Z. Man, I thought there was a lot of sirens at my last spot, but obviously there are way more sirens in this part of New York than they are in my previous spot. But we are there's a few problems I'm running into right now. Some of these pads aren't working, so the stories are true that the pads aren't even working. They go bad on the 1000, so that's another pimp my ride upgrade that I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna try and figure out what I can do without having to spend too much at first. But like I said, this is gonna be a pet project of mine, and I'm gonna upgrade this thing and let's take it from there. Alright guys, so I'm going to have to download and watch some tutorials on this because there's a few things not happening, like the pads aren't muting, and I think I did, I watched some Sample Kings tutorials on the 1000, and when I went to track mute, played the beat, I played this beat and nothing is muting, so I'm assuming that some of these pads, the sensors underneath are not working, so I'm gonna have to try to figure out something. And if that's the case, I can always do that myself, go under the hood and replace all that. All right, I'll see you on the next one when I have upgraded the sensors, and I'm gonna make some heat on here. But I'll tell you this, as I've already heard, the sounds sound really punchy. So it's got its own thing. It's got the converters on this little bad boy are pretty good. So stay tuned. Deuces. Truth, kicks and snares, you already know.